What would you
Magic.
like?
Thank you very much.
Magic. Maddie, can you do?
Now we're going to do the whole magic spin.
I'm making it really awkward too.
Of course. How is your YouTube channel chipping along?
Well, we just sort of are coming back at it.
Coming back at it?
A little bit.
I'm looking forward to when you start doing your cupping competition or your cupping training. And
Did you see next door?
Yeah, next door. I've seen the pictures. I've seen your videos.
Did you see the 1 kilo roaster?
I have not seen it. I've seen a picture of it in your videos, and I've lost my card since this morning.
You've lost it?
Is this round 2?
Yeah. I've been here already today.
We're gonna have to cut you off soon.
Yeah, that's why I'm bouncing.
We had a second record this morning as well, so this is
Yeah.
This is number
coffee
3?
Yeah, this is number. Well, I have one at home as well.
Wait, did you move?
No, I'm still in Malula.
So you drove all the way here?
Yeah. I'm going to
Twice.
visit my dad down. No, I rode down here earlier.
Ah!
I rode down here earlier.
Hey,
and now I'm driving.
I love it. I appreciate the support.
Well, I would have come down here and got a Humbala, but yeah, I can't.
That's done.
Is it done? Never going to happen again?
You doing that? Who's doing that?
But the 5-0 this morning was terrific. So that's
Okay, we're gonna have to figure out how you're gonna do that.
I must have.
I feel under pressure.
Under pressure.
I like being behind the camera, not in front of it.
Technically, this is just a ball.
That's a good point.
This is my dad.
This is for Russ.
Dad's in Arcade.
He's like one of our oldest clients. So, you know. Oh. It's pretty good. Looks pretty good. He's gonna love that.
Does it look pretty? Oh, look at that.
What do you
It's very
think?
pretty. I love it when it's pretty. And it's such a shame to
You have to put a lid on it.
Yeah, I
Get the
know.
hand off.
It's disappointing. Thank you.
One more happy
Beautiful.
customer.